this season is a season for you to start accumulating, or at least continue accumulating your appreciating assets, right? It's a great time. I cannot foretell how much prices will go down or go up, but because a lot of things right now are on discount. Let me show you, okay? If you look at the Vanguard VWRA price, right? If you look at the whole lifetime of it, let me move it down here. The whole lifetime of it has gone up only how many percent? Okay, 11% so fast. Okay, it was launched at $80 and now it's $89. Okay, you think about it, right? It's only gone up 11%. Okay, that means if it's close to you being there at the very beginning of it. I'm not saying that the price won't drop below $80, that won't drop below $50, but I'm saying that there's a much higher chance for it to go up in value. If you just zoom in to the last 1 year, right, it has dropped 23%. Say from a high of $118 over here, bam, 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 bam. COVID has really battered it a lot, okay? And with the war, so right now it's $89. If you go to the last 6 months, okay, 20%. So it's not as bad last 6 months. A year ago was worse, okay? And this is just one of the assets that you can consider, which is the Vanguard. Do your research, but it's pretty stable for a long term, right? And another one that I want to show you, where is it? Is it over here? Let's look at Bitcoin, right? Okay, I have a significant portion of my money in cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, right? And you look at it right now. This is Singapore dollars. How do I change to USD? Anyway, I'm going to leave it at this price, right? Okay, if you look at it on a max basis, it started at $400. It has spiked up, went down sideways, spiked up, and sideways, drop, spike, big spike, as high as 80,000. Let's do USD. Right, this is confusing for me. Okay, this is easier. Okay, so the highest was over here at about 64,000, and since then it has tumbled down, spiked up a little bit to 45,000, tumbled all the way down. If you look at the last 1 year, right, it has dropped a good 64% from a high of over here, okay, 67,000 USD, okay, and it tumbled all the way down. Okay, I'm not saying that it cannot go down further. It can, of course it can. I cannot predict the tops and bottoms of the market. But what I'm saying is that if you want to be really wealthy in 5, 10, 15 years time, now is the time to continue setting aside budget, or you haven't set aside budget, set aside the budget to invest regularly into assets that you understand, assets that you can see and understand, right? Be it your index funds in the Vanguard, right? Be it in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Okay, I am not really talking about property investing right now because the interest rates has gone up so much that it may not make sense. Even banks are also being a bit apprehensive about loaning out money. But if you have cash, there's a possibility that people are defaulting and properties may go on the cheap. So if you like property, right, hold on to your cash a bit more. If things do tumble down, that will be a sad state, because I hate it when legit homeowners lose the ability to have a roof over their head. But for investors who have over leveraged, if they lose some of their portfolio, I hope you can benefit from it. But for me, just from two things that I look at: the Vanguard, which is this one. Okay, if you look at it for the last, let's look at it from the max. If you start at $80 from the beginning, and right now $88, it's cheap to me. It's cheap. Basically, people who have bought it since then, in 2019, 3 years ago, right? They say move sideways only. I have saved a lot of time. Of course, the person who entered here during this time, in the March, this is the beginning of COVID. This is the best time to enter. But in hindsight, if you entered during that time, great, good for you. But the point of me creating this video today is to remind you and to, get you into taking action. Not for my sake, It's for your own sake. It's for your own livelihood. It's for your own wealth. It's for your wealth of your children, your family, yourself, your financial freedom, whatever it is. It's for you, right? This is a season for you to start accumulating, appreciating assets to make yourself richer. Ideally, if you reach tomorrow, but most of the time you have to wait over a period of time. There will be some tumbling still, some uncertainties, but as the market recovers, I can expect more profits and benefits to come. Remember, I'm going to say just one more time. If you want to become rich in 5, 10, 15 years time, now is the time to consistently, steadily invest into appreciating assets. I'm only identifying the Vanguard, VWRA, and the Bitcoin, okay, for cryptocurrency. I cannot, we can no longer say Bitcoin and crypto is volatile because the Dow Jones and stocks are also equally volatile, right? So they're on par. So you choose what you like the most and what you understand the most, and consistently and diligently keep investing, okay? For this to happen, you need to have your money-making businesses or your careers to fund it. Keep on at it, and 5, 10, 15 years time, thank me for it, alright? Get rich, my people.